Welcome to qnawire.
Okay, so for this question, we need to use the table A6, which is the table for superheated water. So at 1 megapascal and temperature 300 degrees Celsius, we'll have the corresponding enthalpy is given as 3051.6 kilojoule per kilogram. So now let's apply the energy balance equation, which will have E dot in is equal to E dot out, which is equal to M dot H1, which is equal to M dot H2. And then as you can tell, M dot here can be cancelled out. So therefore have H1 is equal to H2, which means that the enthalpy is constant through the process. So I have H1 is equal to H2 is equal to 3051.6 kilojoule per kilogram. So now let's use the interpolation. So if you use the same table, so at 0.4 megapascal, the specific enthalpy of the saturated vapor stain is equal to 2738.1 kilojoule per kilogram. Okay, as you can tell, H2 is greater than Hg2, so we gotta use H2 for the later calculation. So now let's take a look at the same pressure but with a different temperature here. So at 250 degrees Celsius, the enthalpy is given as 2964.5 kilojoule per kilogram, and the specific volume is 0.59520 meter cube per kilogram. And then at 300 degrees Celsius, we'll have the enthalpy is equal to 3067.1 kilojoule per kilogram, and the corresponding specific volume is 0.65489 meter cube per kilogram. So now let's use the equation here to determine the specific volume after throttling. Okay, so which is the V2 here. So now let's plug in the value back into the equation. Eventually, we'll have the specific volume after the throttling process is equal to 0.4587 meter cube per kilogram. If we convert it to 3 digits, it's 0.646 meter cube per kilogram. So now let's take a look at the choices from the question. So the correct answer should be D.